Here's my experience. Even just doing one piece of work with a skilled and trained IFS therapist or practitioner shifts the way that I perceive the world in a permanent and dramatic way. And when enough of that kind of work has been done, that the person is returned to a level of wholeness that hasn't been true previously in their life, they begin to function at a much higher level. They have much, much more clarity. And they get to the point where enough healing has occurred that they're ready to get results in their lives. When that happens, that's a good time for coaching to begin. And coaching with an IFS coach like myself helps the person to identify a result and laser focus the work that we do together so that we don't go off in a million different directions, which would easily be done and would definitely yield results. But if we want focused results, we need to focus on those parts of ourselves that have been left behind and bring them into the present circumstances, current reality, update them so that the parts of us can respond and support us in what we're up to and trying to accomplish today.